Welcome back to MathSolver1117 where math become easy and fun. Today we have an interesting question in which s dot s minus s dot s dot s equals 36. Find the value of s. First of all, we will write this as s multiplied by s is s square minus s dot s dot s, it's mean 3 times s equals s cube, and that is equal 36. Now I will split 36 as equal 9 plus 27 because 9 plus 27 equals 36. The purpose of this is 9 is the square of 3 and 27 is the square of cube of 3. That's why I use this. So I will write this as s square minus s cube equals 9 plus 27. Then this will become s square minus s cube equals 9 is the square of 3 and 27 is the cube of 3. Now I write this equation as s square minus 3 square minus s cube minus 3 cube. Now here I will apply the formula of a minus b whole square and also take common. This will be plus, as here the formula is a square minus b square equals a minus b into a plus b, and on this a cube plus b cube equals a minus b a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So I will apply this formula here. So this will become as s minus 3 into s plus 3. Then take minus as common. This will become s plus 3 into s square 3s minus 3s and then plus 9. Now we can take s plus 3 as common from this. So we get s plus 3. Remaining is s minus 3, then minus sign is multiply inside, we get minus s cube minus s square plus 3s minus 9. So we get, and this equals 0. So we get s plus 3 and minus s square plus 3s plus 1 is 4s minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 equals 0. So it becomes s plus 3 equals 0 and the other pair is minus s square plus 4s minus 12 equals 0. It means that s equals minus 3. This is the first one. And here we will take minus 1 as common. So remaining is s square minus 4s plus 12 equals 0. Here we apply the quadratic formula on this because we have a equals 1, b equals minus 4 and c equals 12. So s equal minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. So this become s equals minus b means 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 12 divided by 2 of a. So we get 4 plus minus 4 square is 16. 16 minus 48. 16 minus 48 divided by 2. So we solve this further here and get 4 plus minus 16 minus 48 divided by 2. It means that 16 minus 48 is 32. So by taking the LCM of 32, we will get, by taking square root 32 will be equals 4 square root 2. So this will be, here is minus 32, this is equal 4 plus minus 32 divided by 2, which means we get S equals 4 plus minus 4 iota square root 2 divided by 2. So 2 is cancelled out and we get 2 as common, 1 plus minus iota square root 2. This will be the answer. Now we will write the solution. So the values of S are S equals minus 3, S equals 2 into 1 plus iota square root 2, and S equals 2 into 1 minus iota square root 2. So these are the solutions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe MathSolver1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for more upcoming questions. In the next video, we will solve another important question related to the Maths Olympiad ACT SAT problems. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning.